Well, outside of some staining, some sanding, and burning the wood, I'm done with the beds. It's not too bad. Easy to do. Only took about a week. Okay. My Bluetti AC 200 has arrived. I've already opened the box before I started the camera, but nothing's been taken out. This is my 3-year warranty. This is going to be the power brick for charging. And a bag of goodies. I don't know what's in there. They may have just sent me a pile of dog mess from their yard. Pull that out. Set that inside for me if you would there. Please, thank you. And there's the Bluetti. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? It came bagged. Came bagged. Or well, not bagged, but it's got its own bag, so it can get bagged tonight. I'll take this out of here and set it on my table so y'all can see a better shot of it. Alrighty. That's what she looks like. And they need to do some dusting down there at their factory a little bit. I don't know if that made it look better or worse. Here you have 6 120 outlets, USB cords, PD power. I guess the cops will come in if you plug into that. That's that 60-watt charger or USB. This is 12 volt. Little plugs for lights or whatever. 3 amp. And you have your 12 volt, 25 amp outlet right there. Let's hope the cord is in the bag. 12 volt cigarette lighter. There's better reviews on YouTube for this if you want to watch them. I want to unpack the goodies and then I'll show you what's in the bag. Goodies in the bag. The plug for your power brick to charge it from the wall. Car cigarette lighter plug if you have 16 hours to waste. These I ain't too sure of. I'm gonna have to check on this. This is the plug that goes from your solar plug into your solar panels, but the meet-up wire looks kind of thin for 700 and something watts. This plugs into your 12 volt. And I am going to run this in to another connector, a female connector, and hook up my little fuse box. I know that's going to be way too many amps and all this crap. I'm not hooking much up to this. I got a big one in case I decide to go with a battery bank for the big stuff. But the only thing I'm going to have on this, a couple of LED lights. That's about all I got on 12 volt right now. I may hook up a cigarette lighter for a phone charger or a USB 12 volt plug or something like that. Outside of that, that's all I'm going to hook up to it for the time being. So don't get excited. It shouldn't screw nothing up from what I'm seeing online. Bluetti. I've got another one on the way. Mainly because both my wife and I use CPAPs. One's going to run the icebox and the 12 volt fuse box or fuse panel over there for my lights, and maybe a phone charger, even though they have a phone charger on here. It's just that the one that's going to be running the refrigerator I'm going to use for 12 volt is going to be in an out-of-way place. When the other one gets here, I don't plan on using it for nothing but the CPAPs and maybe the computer. I'm going to try to get 800 watts, 900 watts of solar on top of my trailer, which will charge it in about 3.5 hours. Once it's charged, I can swap over and charge the other one up with the same solar panels. And then once they're fully charged, I'll just unplug them. If I'm at a campground, I'll just plug this in. All of this is going to protect my equipment, and I don't have to worry about a power surge to anything except my power block. So I should be covered that way until I can get a surge protector. As I read up on it and try it out, I'll make another video and let y'all know what I think.